Hey guys, what's up? Tracy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I'm going to be creating this really colorful look using the Party Animal Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. I did receive this in last month's BOXYCHARM, so I'm just here to teach you guys how to put this palette to use. Let's get started.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
My frequently asked question, shadow shields. I picked these up from Walmart. It comes in a pack of 14 and this prevents from any eyeshadow falling out. I do want to mention that this is a really quick tutorial because this was originally just filmed for Instagram, so bear with me and I hope that you guys do follow along. I'm going to pick up this eyeshadow here called Bottoms Up as my transition shade. I do want to mention, if you watched my BOXYCHARM review on this palette, I only was limited to 2 shades because of the lip color that they sent me, and for this look I used every single eyeshadow with the exception of the one that didn't blend well for me. If you haven't already watched that BOXYCHARM review, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above for you guys. At the crease, I'm going to be taking the color Hungover and using a Morphe fluffy pencil brush. I had no problem using the color Hungover. The only eyeshadow from the palette that I had trouble with was Karaoke, and I did not use that in this tutorial. This color is actually really easy to blend, and it does have some type of shimmer to it along with Bottoms Up, but as you can see, they mesh together really well. Using the same eyeshadow, I'm going back in with a pencil brush by Sigma, and this is the E30, just to really intensify that crease because we're going to be cutting it. To cut my crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a Michaels painting brush. You can definitely find a detailer brush on Morphe website, but I just, have painting brushes all around my house, so why the hell not? Filling in the rest with a flat brush, using the same concealer, just filling it all in. I always struggled doing cut creases, but now that I'm using the right brushes, it totally helped me out, so I'm just here to share with you guys what I've learned, and hopefully it does help you guys. Moving along now, I'm going to take the color Right. To pack on this eyeshadow, I'm using the Sigma Firm Shader, and this is brush E57. Picking up this shade.
It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.
I have no idea why, but a song comes to mind with every name in this palette. But yeah, it's getting pretty annoying. I'll stop. This part is actually really satisfying, especially in slow motion. Then I'm going to be taking the Ruby Kisses Cosmetics Pastel Lime Green Eyeliner Pencil. I'm going to pick up the color Damage Control and apply that right beneath the waterline. And using the Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'll be applying this Joa Beauty felt tip liner right above my eyelashes. I'm not creating an eyeliner. I just want my band not to be showing once I apply my lashes. Okay, and then for lashes, I'm taking the Lash and Crown Beauty, and these lashes are in the style Royal Ball. I do have an affiliate link if you guys are interested in shopping. I'll go ahead and put that in the description box down below. Picking up the Pixie Highlighter Duo in Subtle Sunrise, I'm applying that to the water duct. Now that I finished the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply my face off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, and that was my 5-minute tutorial using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I'm going to give you guys a close-up. Look how well these blended. I did not have a problem with these shades, except the one I told you guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to make this tutorial because I know a few people had a difficult time creating looks with it, so I'm sharing what I did. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
When you left